Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these super cute sticker packs that I was able to get for my 2-year-old son. I love these. So I love that it comes in this big sheet. There are quite a few sheets that it comes in. I leave them in the package like this so that it has super easy storage. And then what I do is I take them out. I'll either hand this whole sheet to my little one if we're doing something that he just needs some time by himself and to be occupied. Or the cool thing is you can fold on these perforated lines and it'll tear, and you can separate them by sheet here as well. So I like that you have options here, and they are such fun stickers. We got like the animal and bug and water animal, farm animal, that type of pack here. He really likes them. The stickers are so cute. So I like that he likes them. I like that they're easy to use. They stick really well. I mean, what more could you ask for in stickers? So definitely recommend them, and that is my point of view.